Hey bros, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I hope you are here for the screen recording option on the iPad Pro. I have enabled it right now on the home screen, right? You can see the red dot blinking, right? Okay, so it's recording right now. I'll show you how to enable it. Just go to your settings tab near the general option below it, control center. Okay, control center, and then I'll just show you. I can remove it from here. To show you, just click the plus button, screen recording option, right? And if you want it on the top, just hold down the three dots here, three lines, and bring it on the top. That's it, cool. Now you can even add anything from here: sound recognition, music recognition, stopwatch if you need anytime. Okay, so that's it. Now you can go to home and just click on here and keep recording, keep creating content. That's it. Peace out, bros.